And so there's been a huge uptick in depression, anxiety, alcohol and drug abuse. And people are not only just bored or they're stressed, they're looking for something to make them feel better. There's also unfortunately been an increase, besides mood disorders, problems with sleep. People are even calling it coronasomnia, and unusual things that have come up. There's a condition that people are describing called Zoom dysmorphia, where people get on and they see themselves in a Zoom meeting. They don't like the way their nose looks or part of their face looks, and they actually seeking help from plastic surgeons to get these things corrected. So there's a lot of stuff that is just, still coming out as we understand the emotional impact of the pandemic. So I really think that the silent pandemic is the mental struggles that people are having, whether diagnosed or not.